Welcome to Wood Truck Channel. Narrow, winding and muddy roads are always a nightmare for transporting heavy timber. Do you know what drivers do to navigate them smoothly? Watch the full video today, and you'll learn valuable insights from these exceptional drivers. Gaining momentum before going uphill is always a great advantage for logging trucks, especially when there is a steep dirt road ahead. This is truly an experienced driver. Instead of going in the middle of the road, he pressed hard on the gas and moved along the edge of the road, where there was less traffic so it was less slippery. True to the name heavy transport monster that I gave it, this vehicle can easily carry several dozen tons of goods. This is a remote road in a rural area of an Asian country. You see, the road ahead is truly terrible, too muddy, too slippery, making moving a challenge. Every car passing here faces real nightmares. For drivers carrying heavy goods, the situation is much more difficult. Not only do they have to control their giant vehicle, but they also have to make sure the cargo is safe and unharmed. These roads require refined driving skills and extensive experience. Just a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Let's see how each car moves through this road. This passenger car was unlucky to have to go on this road. I think the car owner will be very sorry for his car.
Saya semai.
Will this giant cargo vehicle be able to overcome this challenging road, or will it need assistance? Let's continue watching. So it did not pass the test and needed the assistance of an excavator. Next are the freight vehicles, which take turns taking on this challenge. Learning from the previous car, the driver pressed the accelerator harder, helping the car overcome challenges more simply. By pressing hard on the accelerator and adjusting the direction based on what he saw from the experience of the two cars ahead, the driver of the third car was able to pass without too much difficulty. The cars behind are continuing to face the same challenge that each car in front has had to go through. They see the traces of previous cars. Each trace is an important signal, a valuable piece of experience for them to apply for themselves. Pressing the accelerator hard, they tried to find the most optimal route to get through the maze of mud, avoiding deep puddles and making sure the car didn't get stuck. Each car is a new challenge, but also an opportunity for them to show off their driving talent and ability to overcome difficulties. The special thing is that they must be careful, but also decisive and agile in making decisions. Transporting heavy timber up steep roads requires the driver's skills and years of experience, but in this case, he failed. Mutual support in wood transportation is needed more than ever. When one vehicle is stuck in the mud, the other vehicle will have to play the role of towing the vehicle to help its teammate overcome difficulties. Such small wooden bridges, just big enough for wheels, really pose a big challenge for drivers transporting goods on forest roads. When crossing these small bridges, drivers must be extremely careful and focused, because even the slightest mistake can cause serious consequences. Gaining momentum when climbing hills is actually a driving skill that almost all drivers know and often apply. However, in this case, the driver had difficulty and was unsuccessful because the load was too heavy and the weight of the cargo is concentrated in the rear, making the rear of the vehicle heavy and easy to lose control when trying to accelerate to go over a slope. The excavator's assistance in pulling vehicles through slippery roads is an undeniable factor. With its powerful and weighty tracks, the excavator not only provides pulling power, but also provides a reliable stability when needing to overcome slippery spots on the road. Support from excavators helps create more favorable conditions for vehicles to move, especially in difficult and slippery terrain conditions such as on forest roads. A convoy of trucks traveling through a forest road, with rocky dirt roads, rivers, streams and hills, is also quite a challenge. Faced with a series of difficult and diverse situations in the terrain, drivers must use the full range of their driving skills along with patience and determination to overcome each stage. Mountainous terrain and rocky roads require high concentration and flexible driving skills, while crossing rivers and streams requires knowledge and experience in measuring and assessing hazards. Each car faces unique challenges, from adjusting speed on rough dirt roads to choosing the right path to cross a river or climb to the top of a hill. Collaboration and precise communication between drivers have also become extremely important in ensuring safety and efficiency on every journey.
Situação, mais ou não?
The journey to discover heavy transport vehicles with daring moving situations has come to an end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to always accompany us on our next trips.
Puxa. Bigodinho. Ai, bigodinho. Ai, bigodinho.
Step 1, good brother gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up.